So first of all is the memory scanning system. You have to scan your forehead at 2 a.m. Why 2 a.m.? Because that's the time you overthink the most. Next is the memory sorting part. Now, your memory will be sorted in three files: the important memories, that is the exam dates and exam syllabus, the useless memories, songs, lyrics, remember that one cringe thing you said in the class, and the traumatizing memories. Example, waving at someone but realizing he wasn't waving at you. Exactly.
iPhone have Snapdragon 7S Gen 5 chip. It sounds cool because it is cool. And the best part about this phone is, just look at this back. It's so beautiful. And you know the best part about it is this. As you can all see, right now my mom is calling me and the glyph is showing a completely different sort of design.
I'm Anirudh, the founder of the countryside. Yeah, you heard it well. The countryside, the meaning of the countryside is village. It means we are providing pure and natural food products directly from the farm to your kitchen without any chemical, any preservative, or any artificial processing, right?
As it is said that thousands can live without love, but nobody can live without water. So, good morning, everyone. I am Radhika and I am here to sell my water bottle. That is a steel water bottle. So, as various of peoples use plastic bottle, so various of us just use that without knowing the bad effects of that bottle.
Why are the men suffering silently? Is anybody have any answer? First is family conflicts, breakups, financial problems, and loneliness. As well as it leads to depression and anxiety. And we created a brotherhood circle. It is a place where men from different background come together, help each other, and have a common goal to be better, grow better, and be better individuals.
About the time where your phone died due to some battery and due to the shortage of light in your area. Sir, having a very important meeting, so maybe he is worried about that meeting. So what we all need today, my name is Roli and I am here to introduce a product that is EcoCharge Power Bank.